So how do you enable your account in the App Store on your iPad? Let's get started. So if you never want to have any problems with your iPad, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, as I have a lot of tutorials which can fix your issues. Anyways, what you need to do to enable your account is to go to your settings, like the main settings app of the iPad, and tap on your profile picture at the top right there. Then you can find the media and purchases section, which is already indicated by the App Store icon, right? So you can click there, tap on view account. You will then need to authenticate yourself with the Face ID, or scan your face like that. And you need to ensure that you have the payments ready, or that some funds are added into your account, right? So you can click on manage payments and add your Apple Pay or some credit or debit card, and you can just make sure that the payment method is set up properly. If it's the case, if it's already turned on, you should be able to use your App Store normally and then download and pay for any apps or services. You can still go ahead and open up the App Store like that, tap on your profile picture, and perform some other changes if you need to. So in here, you also get to your App Store account, and in there, you can also do some other things. Like if you tap on your picture again, you can see that we can change the country or region. And this is also kind of important because if your App Store doesn't work or you cannot download apps, it's possible that you are not in the correct region. So make sure to change it to something else, and yeah, you're going to be good to go. There are also some other random things which might prevent the App Store from working properly, right? For example, you can check out your settings and ensure that your date and time is set to the proper date and time, right? Because if you have it set like manually to a different time in the future or past, it may cause a lot of issues with opening websites or downloading apps through the App Store, right? So just make sure you do that. But also, generally speaking, if you want to perform an update to your App Store, you can do it by updating your entire iPad to the latest iPad OS. So you can most definitely do that. It's a great step to ensure that everything is running on the latest version. So most of these things should help you. At least one of them should be the reason why your App Store isn't working or your account isn't enabled. But if you have some other issues, go ahead and let me know about that below in the comments section. I'm really curious to know what's really going on with your device, but that's going to be about it for me. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll see you in the future tutorials.